Ingredients. For the crust, 1 cup almond meal, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, divided, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the filling, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 teaspoons granulated stevia, plus more as needed, 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. For the filling, 8 ounces cream cheese softened, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 teaspoons granulated stevia, plus more as needed, 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt. For the pumpkin filling, 2 tablespoons pure pumpkin pure, 3/4 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice. For the chocolate filling, 1/4 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon granulated stevia. For the lemon filling, 1 teaspoon lemon extract, 1 teaspoon granulated stevia. Get ingredients. Fulfilled by preparation. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F2. In a large bowl, combine almond meal, melted butter and vanilla. 3. Spray muffin tin with non-stick sprayer. Coat with melted butter. Spoon almond meal mixture into muffin tins and push down with fingers to flatten, forming the bottom crust of the cheesecakes. Each crust should be about 1/4 inch thick. Set aside 4. In a separate bowl, beat together cream cheese, eggs, vanilla, stevia and salt until smooth. Separate the mix evenly into 3 bowls to create the 3 flavors: chocolate, pumpkin, and lemon. 5. For the pumpkin filling, add pumpkin puree and 3/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice into 1/3 of the cheesecake filling. Mix thoroughly to combine, ensuring no bits of pure remain. 6. For the chocolate filling, mix 1/3 of the cheesecake filling with 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder and 1/2 teaspoon of stevia. Whisk thoroughly to combine. 7. For the lemon filling, add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract and 1/2 teaspoon of stevia to the remaining 1/3 of the filling mixture. Whisk thoroughly to combine. 8. Spoon each flavor into its own muffin tin. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until all cakes have set and are slightly golden brown. 10. Remove muffin tin from the oven and let cool completely. Chill in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight before serving. To serve, top with whipped cream, nuts or other keto toppings.